Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am in Dollar Tree, just coming to check out and a few things and see what might pop out at us. Oh, they got the colorful tiki torches back out. So I hope you guys enjoy this walkthrough and let's see what we can find. Oh, they got all their cute little spring stuff over here. They got the hanging little like banner type things. There's the banner. This one says welcome spring. They got the paper lanterns. Those are cute in 2 different colors. They also have the little round one by itself, but if you could get this one with the pack of 2, this one comes with the pack of 2 instead of the pack of 1. I think that's a better deal, but if you want that one or that one, then you would go with that. But those are really pretty. Here's a butterfly banner and the little flowers and all the plates and napkins. What is that? Oh, look at these napkins. Those are pretty. They have like a fan design to them. I've never seen these before. Those are really cute. And since summer is close, they got the pool noodles out right there. And then they also have these pool noodle chairs, which are really cool. The little ducks I showed in my other video. The nurse and the police officer. Here's some of the squeezy fruits. Like that. They got the watermelon. Oranges. Is that kiwi? Kiwi. And I think that's it. Oh, an apple. They're kind of squishy. I like them. Okay, so over here they have some As Seen on TV, and these are at Target. I recently just bought a roll of these for Pooh Bear, and I think I spent like $7 for a roll. So these are here now. These are Build Bonanza As Seen on TV product, and you get 4 rolls. And what you do is you stick them somewhere, and then you can use Legos to kind of build. Like, see how they're building on the wall? Little boys love these, or girls. Doesn't really matter, but they are flexible. And like I said, I just bought some from Pooh Bear. I wish I would have known Dollar Tree was going to get them, because I would have waited. But that's cool. They got some Star Wars. This is Darth Vader, or should I say Darth Vader. And it looks like this. That's pretty cool. You know, this would cost more than $1. And then they have this one with the girl. Princess Leia. They have this one with a stormtrooper. That's pretty cool. Who is this? Rey or Jakku? Sorry, I don't know nothing about Star Wars, but that's the name it says right here. And then up here I see Sergeant Jyn Erso or Jedha. And those are the ones I see. Oh wait, and then there's Captain oh Lord, don't get me started. And then there's this one. And then over here I see this yokai watch. This is really big. Look at that. That's a giant watch. I'm not even sure what this does, but it says music, phrases, and sounds. And it has the batteries that are included. It says watch does not tell time, but it does something. Okay, and it comes with some medals in there, so I'm not sure what this does, but I'm gonna get it. Okay, how cute are these little signs? Look at this. It says celebrate everything, and then it says find joy in the journey, or you can turn it around and it says life is an adventure. And then I also see this one. It says you are always loved, live your dream, or thankful. These are so cute. I think I want to get this one. I like that. So over here they have put out some of the banks. I showed this one to you guys. This was saving up for, and then you can write on the front. One of the other ones that they had was this one. I think that is so pretty. Look at the background on that one. Then it was hopes and dreams and adventure awaits. I think out of all of these, the reason why I got that one is because you can write on the front, but I really do like this one as well. Oh, look at these. These are cable organizers. So you wrap the cord around this part of it, like in the middle, so it can keep your cords organized, your headphones or whatever kind of small cord you have. chargers or whatever. But I see these, and they're like a silicone. So they have the gray. I see green, black, and red. Okay, what is this? Let's see. Daily Defense, cleansing water, dry and sensitive skin. And then this one is all-in-one. Okay, that one said dry and sensitive skin. This one says all skin types, even sensitive. This one soothes and moisturizes, and this one cleanses and hydrates. Oh, should I try this? Made in Canada. You know what? I think I'm gonna try both of these. Oh, look at these. They got some men's face and body wipes. Don't have time to hit showers, no problem. Paraben-free face and body wipes leave you feeling clean and fresh. It says with soothing aloe and vitamin E, remove dirt and grime on the go. Okay. Okay, you guys, so here is another Bolero fragrance that I have not seen until today, and it's hibiscus and pink clay. Look at this. They're like just dropping all kinds of newness. This one says made with natural hibiscus pink clay, and of course it comes with everything. You have the hand wash, the body wash. Here is a nourishing face wash. That is the face serum. Here, that's the face serum. You have the hand creams, and then more of the same stuff down here, but then there's some bath salts over there. And then right next to it is the coconut and rose oil bath bombs. And here is the bath bombs for the hibiscus and pink clay. And this is the same location that I came to where they still were stocked in all of the other fragrances right here. And those over there. Okay, over here I see some new tote bags. This one, really pretty metallic, stand tall and stand out. Then hopefully they don't all fall. But back here I see fun in the sun. Look at that yellow. And then the one back there, it says this girl can, in that really pretty green and yellow. That's pretty. Then I see some smaller bags like this, no problema. The inside looks like that. You got this one, kind of matches the little signs that I found a few days ago. I like that. Be your own hero up here. Let's see, yellow. And then down here I saw the pineapple. These bags always fall when you touch them. And then I also see some more scarves. They got black and white stripes, the blue and white, pink and white, and this really pretty green. And somebody was asking me about this bag that I showed before. Here are the numbers. I know she asked me, and I had ripped off my tag when I purchased mine, so I threw it away. But if anybody was looking for this, this is the numbers for these clear bags that also come in red down there. So you guys know I always come and check out the socks, and on this row they still have these storage containers with the cute little sayings on them that I showed in my last video. They are fully stocked here with these, so they still have those. I've seen these, the sloths. These are cute. Little, look like cat silhouettes. Some more little characters. I'm not sure what that is. Raccoon. Is that a rat? Yeah, raccoon. Cats. The cute little coffee cups and donut socks. They still got those. Here's some more cats. They got dogs, penguins, and foxes. Okay, you guys, look at this. They got Pom Pom Socks. These were my jam growing up. I always had Pom Pom Socks. Like, I mean, every time I had my K-Swiss on or my tennis shoes, I had to have a Pom Pom sticking out the back. These are for kids. They say size 4, 10. I think I can, I don't know. Can I fit it? I might just buy one to see if I can fit it, because I love Pom Pom Socks. And I see pink, I see purple, and I see blue up here and yellow. Oh, these are smaller. So They got different sizes. So that's a 5 to 9. I definitely can't fit that, but I think I might be able to fit this 4 to 10. My foot is not that big. Look, you guys, they got the gym pins bag. These are super cute. And they got pink, purple, and blue, and green. They got some new journal sets. Look at that. This one is the cupcakes, and it has the notebook and 2 of the like little sticky notes. So you have the cupcake. You got this one, Make Today Amazing. That one is cute. Oh, you know I love this one because it's food. So the waffle is the notebook, and then the other 2 are the sticky notes. Let's see what else is here. Oh, that's pretty. Pineapple. And then they have a unicorn. I think I'm missing one. I see something else right here. Oh, this one. Oh, that's cute. Be a mermaid and make waves. Oh, they still have these pretty stickers. These are still, I think, my favorite. They had these in case you missed them. This one. And this one. Look at those colors. And then I see these, which I have never seen before. Cute little unicorns. I think the last time I found stickers, it was some different ones. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Oh, I have to get some of these. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. And then they got these animals. Yeah, the last time I found them, I saw those back there, which are adorable. I love that orange tree. And then I see these circus animals. How cute. If you make handmade cards, these are perfect because they're the pop-up kind, so they're kind of like 3D. Adorable. I know for a fact I'm going to get these. Here's some more stickers right here. These look like that. I like that one. It says laugh often. Really cute. Then next to it I see these. These are really nice planner stickers, as well as these. These are like birthday themed. This one, I like this one, the sunshine and take a break. Oh, I definitely like that one. The music. Dream a life, follow your heart, freedom. Cute. And then this one. So out of all of these, I think I'll probably get this one, and I'm definitely gonna get those. Oh, look at this. So usually I see these right here, the little toothbrush buddies that have the little, you know, part that you cover up the toothbrush, but this one comes with an actual car. But it is the only one that I see. I see other toothbrush buddies, but this was the only one. So I don't know if they just sold out or what's going on with that, but this is cute. I see these really pretty bowls. Now, I saw these the other day and I put them on Instagram, but the ones I saw were green at a different store like that. So these are like soup and chili bowls, but look at that. How pretty is that? I like these, and these are by Plates and Beyond. I like this gray one when I first seen them, and they are stackable. When I first seen them, I like the green one, but I think I like the gray ones better, especially because they have this speckled look to them. Really cute. Okay, so then I see these cups. These are so cool. Look at that. So the top twist off, or you can slide the top over. Let me just take it off. So the top can come off like that, and it says travel mug, and it looks like that. And then you can slide the top over for you to be able to drink out of it. But this just screws right back on top. And I see green, I see gray and black. I see red and black. And I see blue and black. Okay, you guys, so I am on the last row. Thank you guys for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Oh, they still have the Mrs. Fields slice and easy cake cutters. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.